It's so easy when you know what you're doing. It's so easy when you know how. It's so easy when you know what you're doing. It's so easy when you're doing it now.
In order to become a plastic surgeon, I went to college when I was 16 years old. I went to medical school when I was 19.
I went to Davidson College in North Carolina and then went to medical school at East Carolina.
I attended the University of Pittsburgh where I got my undergraduate degree in biochemistry and biophysics.
I went to med school at Stanford, California, and I did my residency at Johns Hopkins.
I graduated when I was 23 and went to Jefferson University Hospital to do general surgery.
Med school was standard med school. I did an extra year research.
Spent 5 years doing general surgery in Norfolk, Virginia.
I then went to medical school at the University of Pittsburgh, which was one of the top 20 medical schools.
You spend 5 years in general surgery. During that time, I did a hand fellowship to become a hand surgeon.
And then went to plastic surgery training in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
I finished there and I did a full general surgery training, so I'm also board certified in general surgery prior to starting my plastic surgery training back at the University of Pittsburgh, which is considered one of the top and has been the top plastic surgery programs in the country.
And I went to Johns Hopkins. It was a combined general surgery, plastic surgery program.
At the end of that, I went to Manhattan Eye and Ear to do a fellowship in cosmetic surgery.
And I did another year of research.
I then went to University of Pittsburgh and did training in plastic and reconstructive surgery.
I then wanted to train with all the experts in Europe, so I spent time in Switzerland, Austria, Belgium, and France, studying with the European plastic surgery experts.
And I went to Harvard for a hand and wrist fellowship, microsurgery fellowship.
I then went back to the University of Pittsburgh and taught plastic surgery for a few years before I went into private practice.
It's so easy when you know what you're doing.
And then finally to Savannah, Georgia.